Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you what VibeCode is and how to create an API key in just 1 minute. Now, what is VibeCode? VibeCode is a development platform by Bitrix24 that allows developers to build custom application and AI-powered solutions for Bitrix24. It provides secure access to Bitrix24 data and services through APIs. Why is VibeCode required? You need VibeCode when you want to. First, connect Bitrix24 with third-party applications. Second, build custom CRM solutions and automations. Third, access Bitrix24 data through APIs. Fourth, create applications for the Bitrix24 marketplace. Next, create API key. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to URL then enter vibecode.bitrix24.com. Click sign in the top right corner.
Now enter your registered Bitrix24 email address and password. If your account has two-step verification enabled,
and complete the verification process using the authentication method provided. After signing in, some users may see the message,
You are on the wait list. It simply means that Bitrix24 is reviewing and approving your developer account.
in most cases, approval is received within 4 to 5 hours, although it may vary depending on the account verification process.
Once your account is approved, you'll receive access to the VibeCode dashboard. Now you'll see the VibeCode dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll find the Create API Key button. Click on it. A new form will open. First, enter your API key name.
Below that, you'll see the Access Scope section. Select the permissions according to your application's requirements.
Only grant the permissions that your application actually needs. Once you've selected the required permissions, click the Create button. Your new API key will now be generated. Copy the API key and prompt AI immediately and store it in a secure location, because this API key is visible only once.
That's all for today's tutorial. In the next video, we'll learn how to generate effective prompts using Claude and Codex, and then integrate the VibeCode API, and then API with Postman for testing. We'll go through the complete process step by step, so stay tuned.